Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my cluster Gundam, this I forgot the name, F90 Roman numeral 3 and Y, so F90-III-Y or 3Y cluster Gundam from Bandai, and this is the master grade model, and it's my first time to get this kit from Bandai. And let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam model kit has to offer us. Let's go, fangen wir an, Muslims. So the box art here shows the F90-III Gundam or 3Y cluster Gundam, and it's a very nice model here, and I like here the core fighter that has the resemblance to the core lander from the G Gundam series. And there we go, we got this very nice beam shield as well, and some good armaments included with this kit. So the side of the box here, we can see the front view, rear view, and the armaments of the F90 A to Z project, so you can have some customization for this kit by adding mission packs just like the F90 series. And the other side of the box here, we can see the front view, the rear view, where we can also see the core fighter attached at the back. And there we go, we got to see all the armaments included for the kit, and we got the rocket launchers included for this kit. So there we go, let's open the box here and let's see what's inside. So we got the instruction manual, and the instruction manual here has the same cover page and picture from the box art, and we can see all the included parts for this kit. And I was just embarrassed by seeing those X marks here. That means these parts are not included with the kit. So there we go, we can see the instruction on how to assemble the kit. So this is not that difficult to build, since I already built so many kits from Bandai, and this is a bit interesting kit to build. Okay, so there we go, we got to see those parts, how to assemble it. This is not that hard. Okay. So there we go, we can see what this combination with other mission packs page here. So if you're interested in buying those mission packs, you can do so. Okay, so let's go with the parts here. We got those gray parts, yellow parts and gray parts, white parts and gray parts here. So third pack, fourth pack, fifth pack, sixth pack, seventh, eighth, and 9 pack here. So we got 9 packs of runners here. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got gray parts here for runner I, and we got this another gray parts for the bazooka part. So this is runner H, and we got 2 of these, so we got 2 sets of runner H here. Then we got this yellow parts here, runner K2, and another yellow parts here, runner K1. For these blue parts here, we got runner J2 and runner J1 for the blue parts. Then we got here small parts for runner F2, runner G for this white part, so we got 2 sets of runner G. We got this gray parts here for runner where's the name for this runner? So I can't find the name. Anyway, so there we go, we got this gray runner. So we got this B2 runner for the white parts. Other gray parts here. This is runner C1 for the guns. And we got another gray parts here. This is runner E. So we got two sets of runner E. Then we got this runner C2 for this gray parts again. And good thing I got to see this kind of plastic here, which might I had a broken part for this before, so I might use this one. Okay, so there we go. We got this beam saber effect parts. Beam saber effect parts again. Clear green, which is very shiny. Then we got this runner D for armor pieces. White parts here for runner A. And another white parts for runner B1. And we got runner L1 for this red parts. So for the stickers, we got foil stickers and war slide decals for this kit. So see you next time on the finished build of this kit. Thank you for watching this unbox review of the F93 Cluster Gundam.